Hello, today I'm going to take you step by step through how to use StreamYard. StreamYard will allow you to bring in lots of participants, to share your screen, and to broadcast live on YouTube or other platforms. It's a really easy way to get started with online streaming. So we're going to jump straight in and take you to my StreamYard dashboard. So on screen here, I've logged on to StreamYard and I'm going to go to create broadcast. So this is the first thing. We need to set up our event. So click on create broadcast. Now I've got a completely blank dashboard here. Also, this is a free version of StreamYard. And step one is I'm going to add a destination. So I'm going to show you how to stream to YouTube. So I'm going to add YouTube as a destination, and it's going to ask me to let StreamYard to access my account. Okay, so we're done. So that's it. StreamYard now has the ability to use my YouTube account. And now I need to create an event. You can add your description, can change your privacy. So public, all of your YouTube followers will be notified that you've gone live. Unlisted, anyone with a link will be able to access your event. And private means that only you will be able to view it unless you ask YouTube to connect some other users. For me, I'm going to go with unlisted. Now, imagine we're selling tickets to our event. We're planning something in the future. We want to build and grow our audience. That means we want to schedule this event for later. It's going to be in the future and we want a shareable link. Here we can upload our thumbnail image, and I'm just going to set this for a date in the future. And then I click create. Takes a second and we're done. So now our event exists on YouTube. We're not live yet, but it does give us a shareable link. So if we go to view on YouTube, this is where people will be watching your broadcast. This is the link at the top URL here. This is what we'd be sharing with people. If you're setting up your Eventbrite to ticket, then this is the link you want to give people that buy a ticket. Or if you want to be tweeting it, sharing it, putting it on Facebook, this is a link that you share. Anyone with it will be able to watch your broadcast. But we need to create a broadcast. So now imagine a month has passed, we have advertised our event, and the day of our activity has arrived. We want to come back to our StreamYard account and go to enter the broadcast studio. First thing we'll encounter is the option to change our camera and our microphone. So if I just come on and go to my normal camera. So here we can see this is my laptop camera instead of my DSLR camera. And our audio is working, so I'm happy with all of that. We can just come out of this and we can enter the broadcast studio. This is the broadcast studio. The big black box that you see is what your audience will be able to see. So this is our canvas. Down at the bottom are the various things that we're able to share on our canvas. So right now you can see me in the bottom left hand corner, which I can add to stream. But let's say we want other panelists to join us. This is going to be an interview. We want to be speaking to other people. We can go down to invite. This is what I think is really clever. Here we have a link to join the meeting. So we just can copy that. So I have copied that link into my phone, and I'm going to move my face here so we can see I've added. So this camera here is my phone camera, and I've joined as an additional participant. Anyone with the link is able to join your feed. Now I can start creating my broadcast. So I can start adding people into my StreamYard space. So here is my laptop camera. Let's say I wanted to have an interview, and so I can have them both on screen at the same time. We can also share screens, so we'd be able to have the participants describing their slides and things, or we can just go back to the main part. Now I'm not live yet. This is not broadcasting. I keep looking at the wrong camera. I've got 3 cameras on me. So if we wanted to actually be streaming, then we would need to go up to this Go Live button. When we click Go Live, that will start our broadcast on YouTube, which I will do now. So we're going to go live, and we can click back to our event, and pretty quickly, bear in mind there's always a delay, with about 20 or 30 seconds delay between going live and the event appearing as live. So hopefully in a second, we should be able to see our event. There we go. So not fantastic quality just now, but it is live and it is working. Okay, come back out of that. Quality, I imagine, is because I'm trying to run many cameras and my internet is struggling to cope with it. But with a paid event, you can increase the quality as well. And I'm going to end broadcast now. And we're finished. So if I come back onto my main camera, that is very quickly how to connect StreamYard to YouTube. So this is the simplest of options, really. All you need to do is create the YouTube event through StreamYard. So you don't even need to go into the YouTube studio. You just open up StreamYard, connect your YouTube account, create the broadcast, share the link, then go into the broadcast studio, invite all your participants, share your screen. Remember to click go live and your audience will be able to watch you. So that is a quick introduction, step by step, how to use StreamYard.